Let us understand the step-by-step process of creating receipts entry in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Receipts form under the Sales Management module. The receipt number is auto-generated by the system. Select the receipt date and accounting date. Select the project name from the drop-down. The member code, member name, unit number and total amount of the project will be auto-generated from the customer details form. Select the payment mode from the drop-down. Enter the check number and check date if applicable. Select the bank name and bank branch from the drop-down. If the rate of the specific unit is more than mentioned under the unit allocation form, select the TDS Challan checkbox. To books a TDS entry, enter the TDS CIN number, BSR code and TDS Challan date. Select the TDS ledger account name from the drop-down. In case of multiple checks, select the multiple check or instruments checkbox. You can also select the receipt method as FIFO or manual. In case of schedule-based projects, choose the FIFO method. Under the Receipt Entries tab, you can enter details such the particulars, HSN code, GST rate, tax code amount, principal amount, non-due amount and construction cost. Select the Mortgage Bank. Mortgage bank details will be fetched from Project Finance Approvals form. You can view the bookings, receipts, member history, summary, interest details and joint member details respectively. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. You can choose to approve at the finance and sales approval stages. If it is finance approved, the receipt report will be considered as final for posting in the financial system. The process of creating a receipts entry is now complete.